at Theo Chocolate. Today we're gonna make a really good, really simple, really quick, and delicious chocolate peanut butter bar. And you don't even have to bake it. It's just wham bam, so fast. So let's get started. It's so easy, there's only 6 ingredients. And by 6, I mean 5. So it's a double layer. The bottom layer is the peanut butter layer, top layer is the chocolate layer, obviously. The bottom layer is just gonna be crushed graham crackers, butter, powdered sugar, and peanut butter. So we're gonna put the butter in a little pot, or of course in the microwave, and melt it. While that's melting, we're gonna crush the graham crackers. These are already open, they're fine. Fascinating. Nice. Okay. Graham crackers go in here. I'm making a half batch, by the way, because I will eat all of it, so. Then. So nice. And with this, we're gonna add the powdered sugar. Peanut butter. So, peanut butter in the recipe is divided into 2 because a little bit is gonna go in the top half and a lot bit is gonna go in the bottom half. Creamy peanut butter is preferable. And finally, the butter. Whoa! But pour it in, not out onto the counter. Whoa! It's wild. It is wild in here. When it's all nice and stirred, it should be this kind of texture. And we'll put her in a pre-lined pan. Lined with parchment. It doesn't have to be lined, it's just way easier to get out later. So plop it right in. And then smudge it down as smooth as you can. Actually, sometimes if I have extra parchment, I'll just fold it over and push it down. But I didn't really do that correctly this time, so. And get it nice and flat, and then we're gonna throw it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Make sure you've made room in your freezer. Mine actually was full just now, and I just had to take out some vodka, and then there was room. It was fine. So that's in there for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we're gonna melt some chocolate. If you have a microwave, you can do that in there. You can also do it on a double boiler, which is like the safest way to melt chocolate. But if you do it like this, just make sure to just do it for about 15 seconds at a time and then stir it. And you're gonna actually mix the peanut butter right in there with it. Peanut butter is pourable. Okay. One reason this is so simple is a lot of times if you're gonna have a chocolate layer on something, you would need it in temper, but since we're mixing it with the peanut butter, which is really high fat, you don't have to worry about tempering it. So it's just gonna melt in here. We're gonna pour it on top, and then we're gonna throw that in the freezer as well, which is not how you would deal with plain chocolate. So that makes this very easy. Did it from, no! I don't want this. Melty. Look at that. Yum, yum. What else are you doing today? That's cool. By the way, it's easy to make this vegan and it's easy to make this gluten-free, either one. I'm actually using milk chocolate right now, but you can use milk or dark chocolate. Both work equally well. Dark obviously being vegan. And instead of butter, any substitution, earth balance, or anything like that works totally fine. You can also buy gluten-free graham crackers, and especially for something like this, they're great. You won't notice a difference. So, mine is full of both gluten and dairy. Okay. That's ready to go. We're just waiting for that to come out of the freezer. Oh, no please, no please, no please, no please. Okay. The dish towel is very buttery. Great. The flat peanut butter layer here, and we're gonna just pour the chocolate on top. So easy. Nice and smooth, going right back in. 10 minutes. All right. Boom. So now, since there's parchment in there, it should lift right out. There it is. It did it. And, well, then you cut it up and you eat it. It's so easy. It's very easily cut into nice cubes. Look at those little yummy cubes. Why did I make them so small? This is the smallest I've ever dared to make these. Yum. I've eaten 7 Girl Scout cookies today. And that. So you can chop them into bars or tiny bite-sized pieces like I just chose to do. For some reason, I don't know. You can also cut them in fun shapes. It's really easy to cut with cookie cutters, like this little flower thingy. Or a heart to show love. Or an owl to show wisdom. Or a shark, like a really big shark. It's also an option. That's like the size of all of it. Well, let's just see. Now that's a chocolate peanut butter shark if I've ever seen it. So, tiny little cube or giant shark? Or both? Those are chocolate peanut butter bars. They freeze really easily too, by the way. I should have made a whole batch. They freeze so easy. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to check out our YouTube channel. And thanks so much for watching.